Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant trending lenses notifications from Snapchat, you're definitely not alone. Those alerts can pop up at the most random times and quickly become annoying. The good news is you don't have to turn off all Snapchat notifications just to get rid of them. You can simply mute this specific type of alert right from your Android settings. Let me walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. First, grab your phone and open your phone settings. This is where all your app permissions and notification controls live. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Depending on your device, it might say Apps and Notifications, but the idea is the same. Once you're in the apps list, find and tap on Snapchat. This will open all the settings related to the app. Now tap on Notifications. This section controls everything about how Snapchat sends you alerts. Here's where it gets more specific. Tap on Notification Categories. This allows you to customize different types of notifications separately, instead of turning everything on or off. Scroll through the list until you find trending lenses and tap on it. Finally, select Silent. This means Snapchat can still update or use this feature in the background, but you won't get interrupted with buzzing or sound alerts anymore. And that's it. No more random trending lenses notifications popping up during your day. This is a simple tweak, but it makes a big difference if you prefer a quieter, more controlled notification experience. Plus, you can always come back and change it anytime if you decide you want those alerts again. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more quick tips like this to keep your apps working exactly the way you want.